Hello my dear students, welcome to CMI's online classes. In today's class, in this video for the students of Standard 8, we will continue with the same chapter from our English grammar, chapter 9, that is conjunctions. In our previous video on the same chapter, we have already understood conjunction with its definition and examples, and we have also we had also discussed in our previous video about the kinds of classification of conjunctions. What are the kinds of conjunctions? And we have also discussed and explained and understood the coordinating conjunctions. So in this video, in today's class, we will move ahead with the further understanding the further classification of conjunctions. We will understand other kinds of conjunctions in this video. Okay. So in this video, we will move ahead by understanding with the explanation about these the subordinating conjunctions. So subordinating conjunctions. What are subordinating conjunctions? Subordinating conjunctions are those conjunctional words that join an independent clause with a dependent clause. Dependent clause means subordinate clause. So that conjunctions, those conjunctions that form a subordinate clause with its use or with their uses, then they are subordinating conjunctions. Okay, so there are so many words that are used as subordinating conjunctions. Some of the most important subordinating conjunctions classified according to their functions are as follows. So here we have some of the most important subordinating conjunctions that form subordinate clauses in sentences. Let us see what they are. Okay, so when we refer to time, then also we make use of these conjunctions that form subordinate clauses like time, about, when, whenever, before, while, after, since, until, as long as, the first time, the last time, the next time. These are the conjunctions. Okay, like Dipti has been very happy since her parents came to live with her. So here, since her parents came to live with her is a subordinate clause. Okay, it is an adverb clause. Why? Because it qualifies a verb. Okay, now see here, Raj will stay with them until he finds a place of his own. Until he finds a place of his own is an adverb clause. Okay, it is a subordinate clause. Okay, now let us move towards the expression of place, like where, wherever. Okay, no one went where the baby was sleeping. So where the baby was sleeping is a subordinate clause. So in the same way, wherever we looked, there was confusion. So wherever we looked, this is a subordinate clause. Okay, so when subordinate clauses are joined with an independent the independent clauses, at that time we use the subordinating conjunctions, and subordinating conjunctions along with them, they form subordinate clauses. Okay, like here, wherever is conjunction also, but wherever we looked, so here it is a subordinate clause also, wherever he looked. Okay, now let us move to the reason. Whenever we express reason for some actions or something happen, then also we use conjunctions like because, since, as. These three conjunctions are used. We don't use so here, because so is also a conjunction, but they are used when so is used because along with, when we use because, along with because we frame a subordinate clause. Because he was ill, because he was ill. Okay, so here because he was ill is a subordinate clause. But when we use so is used to join two independent sentences, two independent clauses. Okay, but because it's used to join an independent clause with subordinate clause. Okay, now here the main clause indicates an action or state whose reason is supplied by the adverb clause. So here by using because, since, as, we show or we write reasons for the actions happen in sentences. Like Renu didn't sit for the test since she was out of town. Okay, since she was out of town is a subordinate clause. Okay, Renu didn't sit for the test. This is independent clause. Okay, since she was out of town. What since she was out of town? We don't understand completely, so it is a clause. Okay, subordinate clause. Varun wore several layers of clothing as it was really cold outside. As it was really cold outside, together with this conjunction as, it forms a subordinate clause. Okay, now for manner also we use to express manner also we use these subordinating clauses as if, as though, like this. Okay, he acts as if he can't speak at all. Okay, he acts as though he has no conscience, this way. Okay, now purpose, whatever purpose we have, whenever we express the purposes of our actions, that time we use so, that, in order to, that. Okay, like this. Like Sushant is working hard so that he may get admission in the best college. Okay, now see here, so that he may get admission in the best college is a subordinate clause. Okay, Sushant is working hard, this is independent clause. Okay, understood. Now in order that we reach Nainital by evening, we are leaving early morning. So we are leaving early morning is an independent clause. In order that we reach Nainital by evening, this is subordinate clause. So along with in order, conjunction in order, we have framed a subordinate clause. Okay, so other here concession, contrast. So contrast means when we express the thoughts of opposite reactions. Okay, at that time we use these conjunctions and they become subordinating conjunctions. Okay, although I left early, I was late for the class or for class. I was late for class, this is independent clause. And although I left my home early, this is subordinate clause. So here subordinating conjunctions, along with the conjunctions we frame subordinating clauses. Okay, now see here, condition. If some conditions are put, like if, then, provided that. Okay, so here also when some kind of situation is there for the actions, okay, and in that case also we use conjunctions, these conjunctions, if, then, provided that, okay, to express our action of condition. Like if you are hungry, then have some food. Okay, if you take care, if you take the car, I'll take the bike. Okay, like so if you take the car, this is subordinating conjunction, subordinate clause. I'll take the bike, this is independent clause. So now here we have an exercise. Choose the correct subordinating conjunctions from the ones given in the box to fill in the blank. So now here, that, where, when, what, who, how, why, whom, these are the conjunctions, these are the subordinating conjunctions using which you have to fill these sentences. Okay, I hope you can do this. Okay, now we will move ahead with the another conjunction, that is correlative conjunctions. See, correlative conjunctions are pair of words that help to join two balanced clauses, phrases or words. So कोरिलेटिव कंजंक्शंस यहाँ पर सिर्फ एक कंजंक्शन सिंगल वर्ड नहीं होते हैं. ओके, Correlative conjunctions are the conjunctions, but they are in pair of words. Okay, like either or, neither nor, okay, no sooner, okay, whether or, hardly when, all these things. So correlative conjunctions सिंगल कंजंक्शनल वर्ड्स नहीं होते हैं. इसमें कंजंक्शंस के तौर पर इन प्लेस इन द नेम ऑफ कंजंक्शंस वी यूज पेयर्ड words, paired conjunctions also we can see here. Okay, like not only but also, all these are conjunctions and they are correlative conjunctions. Like not only did the girl sang a song, but not only did the girl sing a song, but she also gave a dance recital. This not only but also, pair of words we use. Okay, whether you stay at home or go out to play, it should make no difference to anyone but yourself, said Rohan's mother. So whether or, okay, neither nor. Roshni was neither happy nor was she sad when she got her report card. See here, neither nor. Hardly when. Hardly had the guest left when all the children pounced on the plate of snacks. Okay, like either or. Okay, you may either watch TV or go out with your mother, like this. Understood? Now see here. This is the last exercise of this chapter. It is written here, combine these sentences using suitable correlative conjunctions. The journey was long, it was difficult as well. Okay, like not only the journey was long, but it was difficult as well. Like this, you need to join these sentences. Okay, I hope you have understood correlative conjunctions. You may go once through this explanation in this book and you will find easier to complete this exercise. Okay, so my dear students, thank you so much. I would like to stop here for today's class. If you have any kind of doubts regarding the kinds of conjunctions and their uses, kindly raise your questions during the class period. I am there to help you all. Okay, students. So this much for today's class. Thank you so much for being the part of my today's class. Thank you so much.